How to fix Canva not working or not responding on laptop. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Make sure you are doing it in your laptop. I will only show you by using the web version in my mobile phone. The first step is to disable hardware acceleration. To do so, tap on the three dot over here and then you'll have to go to Chrome setting. From here, go to settings and then go to privacy and security. If you cannot find it over here, what you'll have to do is tap on this help icon and then search for hardware acceleration and simply turn off hardware acceleration if it is turned on. The next step is remove some extensions that you think are causing the problem. Tap on the three dot and go to Chrome Web Store from here. And if there are any extensions that are causing problem, simply remove it. And that's it. You'll just have to next you can clear data by simply tapping on the three dot and selecting delete browsing data, delete data, and done. Try opening Canva again and that should be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.